Hey everyone, iPad tutorial 909 here. I need to flip around the camera because it just sometimes likes to be like that. Great. Continuing our lessons with Codea. Today, as you saw from the title, we will be making more than one animation. So you name it whatever you want. Lesson 7. And then you take these, of course, delete it because we're not going to use the stroke white. And then today we will actually be using classes, not blank files. So you first start off with the blank program. Background you can set to whatever color you want. May as well do it blue because there could be like blue skies. So our background's perfectly clear. And then under function setup, you just do display mode, full screen. You could choose full screen, no buttons, if you're making like an Xcode program, but I'm not doing that fully yet. Well, I'm not doing it in these lessons. I'm already making an Xcode program. And it's taking a while. In fact, I started yesterday, but there's still tons of bugs I have to work out. Like it keeps switching back and forth with classes sometimes when you tap and when you try and write something in. So you come up to here, hit the plus button. I said hit the plus button, Codea. We're not going to import any tabs. We're just going to come up to, don't hit create blank file, hit create new class. Then class name, animation 1. And then you can't put spaces, and then you could like switch around the tabs. For this, I'm really bad at selfies, because I don't do those really. So delete the init function because we're not going to be using selfs for a very long time unless I figure out how to use them. But here you could like put a function setup. So here's how you do it. You put to add another function, you put function, of course function, and then the class name animation1 colon, and then the function name, like setup. You could put setup if you want to, or you could put the code to require a setup, but I have no idea how to do that. I should just look on a different program, like what is it? Physics engine, anything like that. Physics engine, I think it's called. No, whatever. So under function setup, you could put the set like animation1 and animation 1 equals vec2 like normal. No, you're supposed to put up above the step, so you don't really need to do that. I know there's still stuff in the animation 1. And 1, how about and 1 equals vec. Go focus it. Trying to focus it at least. Ugh. Hates focusing. Vec. Well, you get. You can probably see it. Oh, God. Vec2. Parentheses. And then, so you can just delete that. And And then we're going to be using main for a little bit. But this is for the main program code. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to put animation 1 setup under the function. And then in the draw function, you could put animation 1 draw. So there. The animations are set up. So now we're going to do some work on animation 1. Yay. So animation 1 draw. So now, function animation 1 draw. And 1 equals, no. And 1 dot. Let's move it up. Y. And then you could use this button. And then n1.y equals n1.y plus 1 or 3 or whatever you want to do. But I'll do 2. No, 3. Yeah, 3. And then here, you do sprite. And you could put this in pairs. You know how to do that. I'm pretty sure I showed you. It's 4, I equals 1 and 3. Do sprite, whatever you want. X times I, and then whatever you want for Y. Okay, so we're gonna do plant cute character boy, and this animation might be kind of funny, I guess. 0 plus and 1 dot Y. No, that's for the X. X is 400. Y. 0 plus and 1 dot Y. Sorry, my brother came in here. Well, you don't totally need the setup for this, but you get it. You could do the setup if you know how to use classes a little better than me. So delete the setup. So under draw, why the heck isn't this working? Ugh. Mary, say something. Oh, yeah, I'm pretty sure this has to be under the background. Cut. Paste. It's where this should... Okay, so now we have our little guy moving. So that's animation 1. And then we come up here. We're only going to be using 2 classes because we're already 8 minutes. And we're just starting with the second class practically now. And then we're going to call it animation 2. Then you can move it back. Remember, delete the selfs. Don't put a P there. You could put a P, but just comment it out, or equals, whatever you want. You could give it a value. Just kidding. Then and 2 equals rec 2. Then animation 2 and 2 dot x equals and 2 dot x plus 3. Then you could delete the touched function, I guess, if you want to, but we're not going to be using sprite. And then we're going to have someone else come out. We're going to have a Character cat girl, I guess. 0 plus and 2 dot x y is gonna be 500. Gonna try and focus it, but I don't really think that's working. And then you go back to animation 1, and then we could put some. We're gonna use an if command here. So we're gonna do if and 1 dot y is greater than 600, then don't forget to put your end if you have Codea 1.5, but if you have Codea 2.0, of course it puts the end for you. I only have generation 1 of iPad, so it doesn't support iOS 7, so I can't get Codea 2.0, and am I talking way too fast? And then after that, you want to go to animation 2, so you put and then it'll give you the selections, because every time you get a new class, it gives you a keyword down here. Animation 2, draw. And then you can also put like an explosion for him. And then let's watch our program work with classes. So that's it. And then you could keep adding more and more. And then if you wanted to, could put create new class, repeat. Well, you don't really need a new class, you just need a blank file. Repeat. How about rep? For repeat. Function repeat. Just want to put repeat. Relteat. Whatever. Repeat. Put repeat. Oh no, I didn't want that. Restart. Okay, restart. Then you could put another if and 2.x is greater than 600, 700, or whatever, then and rep draw rep and then function rep. Okay. Then copy it. Paste. Delete. Parentheses. And then, of course, there's something in here that I hate. Count column level index REP and NIL value. We need a class. Touched. T. Create new class. Rep. Oh, this is taking so much time. Restart. Okay, so now, okay, so this is the program that we have made together, and it keeps repeating. Okay, goodbye.